What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Jordan LUKA 2 Space Hunter. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, look at on the marking area. You can see the gap is too close here, it's too narrow on the marking area. Another sample again, as you can see here, the embroidery is too close with the plastic here. According to the authentic one, there is a lot more space here, there is a lot more gap between the embroidery and the plastic here. And another sample again, as you can see on the fake one, the gap is too wide than compared to the authentic one. The authentic one is a little bit close. The gap here, you can see it's pretty different. Also the speckles, the density of the speckles is also different between the fake one and the authentic one. And another sample again, as you can see here, there is a glue stain on the fake one, whereas on the authentic one there is no glue stain right here. And pay attention to the speckles here. On the fake one is less speckles, on the fake one is less speckles than on the authentic one. And another sample again, as you can see, still same. The embroidery is too close with the plastic here, it's too narrow. However, on the authentic one, you can see here there is a lot more gap between the embroidery and the plastic here. And also there is a lot more glue stain here on top of the on top of the midsole here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, the gap between the embroidery and the purple one here is too narrow compared to the authentic one here. The gap here is totally different. Another sample, as you can see here, still same. This one is slightly come up, it's not placed right in the middle of the shape. This will be like the authentic one here, right on the middle of the shape. This one is slightly come up, it's a little bit messed up. Looking from above here, as you can see on the insole here, the color of the insole is totally different. On the fake one is gray, on the authentic one is a light blue. On the authentic one is blue, on the fake one is gray. It's totally different color of the insole. And also the color of the string here is totally different. This one is slightly white color, this one is blue, totally different. Take a closer look, as you can see here on the string color, this one the dots is white, this one on the authentic one the dots is blue. Moving to the back of the shoes, there is only on the fake one there are only 2 stitching, 1 2. On the authentic there are 3 stitching up here. Another sample again, as you can see, the stitching on the authentic one is placed right in the middle, whereas on the fake one slightly go down. You can see here the stitching is slightly, the purple stitches is slightly go down. And also this one on the other marking area, you can see a lot of glue stain right here, so dirty. And another sample again, as you can see, this one's stitching is slightly go down. Also this one is slightly a little bit dirty, a lot of glue stain. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question and request, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.